Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 18 of 2021. And this campaign, we are highlighting our Colors of Love collection. And this is our line of makeup products that not only give you fabulous, gorgeous color payoff, really luxurious formulas, but it's also filled with skin-loving ingredients. So we do have a new addition to our Colors of Love collection, so I'll start with that one, and that is our Glow Balm Duo Illuminating Stick here. And this is great. I love multitasking products, things that you can just throw in your bag and take with you. And this one is great because it has dual-ended, so this is your kind of glow, more like a blush illuminator, and then you have your more highlight illuminator. So you've got your 2-in-1, and I will do a swipe on my hands here just so you can see how these ones look. Hopefully the lighting in here is right, that you can see. There you go. So see, it's kind of colorless, but it's got that nice illumination. This is actually what I have right here on my brow bone. Was I did that to illuminate. I didn't do a lighter shade of eyeshadow there. And then this side, I love this color. It's sort of just a really pretty, pinky blush kind of, and it's got those same illuminators in it, and that's what I'm wearing for my blush today. The great thing about these, they're very versatile. They're very, the cream blends very nicely. It's buildable color. I've actually even used the pink, and I've used this for my eyeshadow. It's intended for face, but I used it for eyes one day, and it gave a fantastic, just nude look, but just kind of, just made the eye area look better than completely nude. But it's very buildable color, so you can always add more color, but then it also blends out very, very nicely. So you'll notice like my blush is not quite this dark. It's more like this. I actually used a foundation brush and just kind of swept it across the top and just very lightly feathered on some color. The highlight on the eyes, I just used my fingertip. Always use the ring finger around the eye area. Always got to remind everybody of that particular tip. But it's buildable color. You can get more color from it, or you can blend it out very, very nicely. And all of the glow balms, the various glow balms that we have are like that. They do have that creamy formula that is very, very blendable, very easy to work with. And then they've got those skin-loving ingredients. So the balms have a pomegranate extract, which is an antioxidant. And of course, the antioxidants help protect you from that environmental assault on your cells. You get mango, shea butter, avocado oil, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of those things that kind of helps protect your skin from those environmental assaults. But so you get, moisturizing and nourishing and protecting benefits from those skin-loving ingredients. These are the other balms that we have. So we have bronzing sticks and illuminating sticks. So these 4 shades are all for illuminating sticks, and they all have that very fine pearl to it. There, and then these 2 down here are your bronzing sticks. I do have a couple of those on hand that I can show you the colors. This is the shade Heart of Gold. This is one of the bronzing glow balms. I keep wanting to call them glow sticks, but they're glow balms. They've got a cool little easy twist up at the bottom there, so you can see that shade. We have then I have the illuminating glow balm in Moonstruck. And these ones are not from my personal stash, which is why I'm not not swiping these ones. But that's the Moonstruck. That's got kind of a blue glow to it, but it doesn't look blue on the skin. It just gives kind of a cooler tint to wherever you apply that. Looks absolutely gorgeous on. So that's the Glow Balms. And some of this we've looked at in previous campaigns, but I just kind of wanted to highlight the whole collection. I absolutely love cushion products. I've only been using them for a couple of years, but I really love the ease of application. So you get it in a compact, easy, easy to travel with, but it's not powdery, so it's more moisturizing for the skin. So we have the compacts in the blushes and highlighters, and this is one of the blushes. This is the shade, I forget what shade I wear. Sorry, I'm getting used to new glasses. Queen Carnation is which shade I use, and I know that looks really, really dark. If you've never used a cushion, you get this little applicator. You just tap it on the cushion, and then tap it. I gotta find a place to tap it. I will do it on the other hand. Okay, definitely not left-handed. And then you just tap it on to apply the color, and it goes on very. Another thing about the cushions is that occasionally you will pull out the cushion and flip it over, and I just get a full tutorial on those. I just got too much on it. I pushed a little too hard, so you can always tap off the excess on the inside of the lid there and just pick it up later. But you can just tap it on very, very lightly. It's very blendable. Again, I love, blendable, because if you get too much, you can always blend it out. But just gives a nice, soft kind of watercolor look to the color. But that seals up in there, and I'll be able to use that excess next time. I even got some on my finger that time. So the blush comes in 4 colors. The highlighter comes in 2. And we also have the bronzer, which is a huge compact for those. And I wanted to show you a new feature in the brochures, and hopefully I can demonstrate this well. So you see the little barcode there. You'll see that on a few pages with the makeup, and this is a new feature. And what it is it's a way for you to, we have a virtual try-on tool on the online store that you can try on colors of the makeup. Well, now in the brochure, when you're looking at the brochure, you can use this QR code to go straight to that try-on tool on the online store. So you just open up your camera on your phone, and when you hover it over that, it will highlight that and then say, do you want to go to that link? And it takes you right to the product page for the blush and the Try It On tool. And then you just tap that there. And this part I can't actually demonstrate this way because I'd have to point the camera at myself. But what you do is you point the camera, you try on whatever color you like. I'm going to go for the bright pink. Ooh, wow, that's a little bright for me. And then there's a little camera on the screen that you can hit. Gives you a little countdown and takes the picture with the color on. So you can see I've got the really pink. I kind of went with the brightest color for the best effect on the picture there. So then you can save that. And so you'll start seeing these in the brochure, or you can just go to the online store, go to your favorite makeup product, and try the tool there. So here's another example. We have it on the Cashmere Essence Lip Cream Lipstick. So you'll see those throughout the brochure, and that's what those are, those little QR codes that you can just use your smartphone to pull those products up on the online store and learn more about the product, but also use the virtual try-on tool, which is just a ton of fun. I love playing with that. So we do have some powder products in the, I forgot to say about the cushion blushes, they have the skin-loving ingredients in those. Hyaluronic acid, which of course is that ingredient that really, acid sounds scary, but it's really not. It just takes moisture and pulls it into itself and holds that moisture in the skin. It also has water lily, which has the antioxidant benefits, and green tea extracts. So again, you get that skin loving from the cushions, and the bronzers have rosemary extract for the antioxidant benefits. In the powders, and I didn't write down what the skin loving ingredients for those were. Let me double check real quick. Again, learning new glasses. The powders have also the, that's the cushions, have the moisturizing phytosqualene, which helps it to glide on really easily and not be cakey. And then the glow beads have the mineral powder, and it gives you that really gentle glow. But I wanted to show you the glow beads because those are super fun. So this one is, this is the, oh, I have it upside down. No wonder I can't read it. Wild Hearts. And this is kind of, so the glow beads work. You can use them as an illuminator, highlighter, blush, They're very multi-purpose, and they come in the cute little box with the beautiful little love logo on the top. And hopefully I can do this without spilling any of these. Nope, couldn't do it. So they come, they're little beads, and some of them are little hearts. And you just take your brush, which we do have a new Kabuki brush. And the great thing about this is it's retractable. And so it's got a cover. You can carry this in your bag, have it for touch-ups or you know, your travel bag. You don't want your brushes getting all messy. So what you do is you just, and again, this is not from my personal stash, so I can't really swatch these, but you just swirl the brush in the pearls and then just apply that, you know, wherever you want to do it. So for the Wild Hearts, you could do, would be great as a bronzer or contour. Really beautiful, and for a nice like natural tone blush. And I'll show you a little bit more about the brush in a moment. And then the Queen of Hearts. So we have Wild Hearts and Queen of Hearts. Queen of Hearts is the lighter shade. We get more of the kind of pinky flush and like illuminating pearl. So this one would be, again, you could use it as a blush or also as a highlighter, or just to kind of get, they both work great for just a little bit of sun-kissed glow. So really, really love those too. Those are very, I got a lot of people who really like those. They like the beads because you get that multi-tonal color. It's not a single shade color. We also have the matte mineral powder in a compact. So that's also great if you like that matte powder look, and then you can add all the illumination on top. So we do have the brush, and like I said, it is retractable. So you just put that on, slide the lid back over, and it clicks down. So you know the lid's not going to come off and it's going to get all messed up in your purse and get, you know, little bits of stuff in it. Super, super soft bristles. I mean, they are as soft as my dog's fur when he has had a grooming and haircut, and comes out really, really soft. So really baby soft bristles. They are pink at the tip. That's not makeup residue. That's actually the tips of the brush is pink. And it does just, you know, swipe on wonderfully. It's got this angle, so you can use it, you know, really well for blush and getting those effects that you want an angled brush for. So really, really nice brush. And I hear little birdie said we're going to have some more brushes coming out later in the year. So I can't wait for those. I love a good makeup brush, honestly. And of course, the product that kicked off the Colors of Love collection is our Love at First Lash Mascara. And this has our Love Complex in it, which is lycopene, olive oil, and vitamin E. And those are all lash strengthening ingredients. So again, not only does it look great, it actually is good for your skin, good for your lashes, and it really gives those skin loving and lash loving ingredients. All right, so that is our Colors of Love collection. You got kind of the grand tour. We also have our A Box for this campaign. Of course, $10 with any $40 purchase. This campaign, you've got your full size Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in the Diamonds Black Ice color. It's got a little bit of glitter to it. And then we have the Mattitude liquid lip color. So it gives a really nice liquid matte lipstick. Very, very nice. In Ambitious, which is a great kind of neutral nude color. Just gives you a nice nice kiss of color on the lips. And then you have our deluxe trial sizes of the Esonoxanu LX, our rejuvenating serum, and the Physio Gel Daily Facial, make sure that is, Daily Moisture Therapy Facial Cream. So a couple of great products there to try out. And one other new thing that we have a new addition to our Home Star collection, which is, of course, our home cleaning collection that I personally love because they have more natural cleaning ingredients. They don't have the harsh chemical smell. They don't have, my hands don't come away feeling burnt and dry and irritated from using them. So we have the heavy-duty cleaning wipes in the Home Star. These are really, really good for, cleaning all sorts of surfaces. On here they've got tile, sealed granite, hardwood, and what's the last one? Stainless steel. I've been using it, counters, my outdoor table, floors, just anywhere that, I need a quick and easy cleanup for something. Honestly, I've even started using cleansing wipes for dusting because it just really cleans the surface, so I get all of the dirt and oil that's maybe on the surface, especially like my desk where I'm touching it all the time, and gets up all that dust without kicking it up in the air. So I've really taken to using the cleansing wipes for dusting. I'm really liking that. I'm going to be tackling my ceiling fan this weekend. But it's got a nice textured feel to it, so it really gets in there and kind of has a scrubbing effect, whereas like the Cucina wipes for the kitchen, those are a smooth cloth, so they don't have as much of the scrubbing effect. And these can also be used on the mop stick, so you can use them as on your mop stick, so like your Homestar mop stick, your Swiffer mop stick, they fit those as well. So you get that kind of scrubbing effect. So I like to use these when I've got something not just cleaning the surface, which I have the regular mop cloths for and the regular Cucina wipes for the kitchen. But if it's something that I'm really going to need to scrub at it, it's got some residue or something on it that I'm really going to want to clean. And I wish I had something here that I could show you how well they work. I guess, I haven't cleaned my mouse in a while, so let's see. I don't really have any kind of like build-up or anything on my mouse. Oops, and I clicked away from my screen, so hopefully you all can still see me. But it's a good opportunity to kind of clean those. My mouse wasn't real dirty, so you don't see anything really on the thing. But they are just really quick and easy to grab. And again, like I said, they've got really, gentle ingredients in them. These ones are kind of jumbo sized. This one's got a fresh lemon scent. So, and it's also got some lemon in the cleaner. Just really, really, you can use it for your range hood, bathtubs and toilets, floors, sinks, tables, oil stains, sealed marble, and outdoor cleanup. So you can really use them just about anywhere. Like I said, they worked great on my outdoor table and things when we were cleaning up for a cookout recently. So that is everything I've got for you from Campaign 18. Hope you all are having a wonderful day. Be sure to hop on over to Thoughts on Beauty, see what's new over there. And if you haven't already joined the Thoughts on Beauty group on Facebook, I've started a new kind of benefit in there. So each campaign, I'm going to do a sneak peek, and I'm going to share the pictures of all of the fashion and jewelry products that are going to be coming out in the next campaign. And as we get into the holidays, I'll do the same with kind of the holiday decor, because all of those items are limited edition. And one thing about limited edition items is if you see a really popular item, it's going to sell out really fast. And so sometimes, if you don't see the brochure for a couple of campaigns or what have you, you may miss a product when it's initially introduced. So if you're a member of the Thoughts on Beauty group on Facebook, you'll get to see those previews a campaign ahead of when they are introduced, so that you can kind of pick out what things you're interested in and what you want. And then as soon as they become available, you can hop on and grab those and be sure to get, the products that you're most interested in. So that's a new benefit that I have added to that group. And so you just look up Thoughts on Beauty on Facebook and click join group, and we'll get you added in there. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.